Be the Masti cage. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we're going to Country Sun Farm. Join us. It's cloudy today. Hopefully we will beat the rain. We got tickets for the hayride and bouncy house, but we are skipping corn maze. Don't want to get caught up in the rain. Let's walk around and see various structures that they have made. We see this huge pumpkin and scarecrow right at the entrance. Okay, Mom wants a picture here.
Say cheese.
What is this huge electric chair? We are getting electrocuted. Ah! There are quite a few other things to explore here. Look, there's a spider too and some Halloween blended theme. Oh, goats. Check this out, friends. Isaac, don't be scared. Yuck, it licked my hand. It's kind of fun petting them. They are so nice. Hayride is calling our name. Run, run. I don't want to miss it. I think ride will be fun because I want to tour this whole place quickly first. Oh, our ride is here and tickets are ready. This is so exciting.
Hello. Hi.
Just be a few minutes.
All right, that's okay. Careful.
Let's pose for a few pictures. Nap and hay.
Nap time over? Yeehaw!
Oh, now our backs are decorated with hay and I am itchy.
तुम्हारी बैग पे भी है लगी दिखाओ.
And here we go. This is fun.
Try. Not. Two. Get. Corn. Fuse. Corn fuse. In our face. Is that your friend?
You guys know why ghosts like to ride in elevators? It's because it lifts their spirits. Do you guys know what you call a cow with two legs? Lean beef. You know what you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef.
I'm gonna get scared. Chase the duck.
How about Packer fans? Because there's more geese on that side.
I wait.
You know what a pirate's favorite restaurant is? Arby's. You know what an alien's favorite Halloween candy is? The Mars bar, sometimes the Milky Way.
We're just walking around now to see all that they have set up here. I see turkey and some ducks and more goats. Isaac, all your daycare friends are here.
No, these are your school friends.
We are collecting minerals, such an important task. They have a jail here, so better behave well. And a town hall, hotel, and a dentist's office, doctor cavity, and a general store. Pumpkin, pumpkin, free pumpkin, come and get it, free pumpkin. Okay, let's head what we have been waiting for. Bouncy castle. Isaac and I played a game in there. Few other kids joined too. It was fun, but too short. There are some tractors here. How did we miss them? Let's try a ride. There's a whole market indoors. Let's take some random pictures to make my mom happy. Okay, why does it say don't look? Sounds like a challenge. There's a whole market indoors. Challenge. Check out these pumpkin variety. White and green and orange and so many mum plants. You can pick anything you like to eat or paint or carve. Oh, these are so cute, baby pumpkins. Lot of other decoration items too. There's a corn pit and a small playground for little kids. I got a car so we can get few pumpkins too.
We can wash it, Beta.
I want a white one and Isaac is taking orange one. Here's the little shop with knick-knack. Check out and let's head home. Time for our artwork. As you can tell, we are great artists with expertise in abstract art. It's complicated.
That's all for today.
If you liked our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We the Masti Kids.
Bye.
See you next time.